Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In today's class, let us discuss about real numbers. Real numbers can be represented by R. Real numbers are nothing but they include rational numbers and irrational numbers. Together, they are real numbers. Integers, whole numbers, natural numbers all comes under this real numbers. Let us recall some key points of real numbers chapter. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So if, for example, if 24 is a prime composite number, it can be factorized, correct? Let us factorize. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Next, 2 6 are 12. Then 3 twos are 6. Okay. So 24 can be expressed as 2 into 2 3 times into 3. So here 2 and 3 are primes. So we can write any composite number as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique, correct? We can write 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, or nothing will change, correct? So apart from the order in which prime factor occur. Next, for any two positive integers a and b, the HCF of a and b into LCM of a and b, nothing but the product of a and b. For example, if we take highest common factor of any two numbers and least common multiple of any two number, then if we multiply the HCF and LCM, we will get the nothing but they are equal to the product of that two numbers. Let us take some examples after this discussion. Theorem. Let P be a prime number if P divides A square, then P divides A, where A is a positive integer. So if P divides A square, then there should be P divides A also. HCF means what? They are nothing but the product of, how we will find that HCF? We will find the product of smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. For example, this 24. Here 24 is there. Here, see here. 2 we have written 3 times. So 2 power 3, and 3 we have written only 1 time. So 3 power 1. The product of smallest power means we should look into here, the powers. Okay, the powers. The smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. LCM means the product of greatest power of prime factor involved in the numbers. What and all? Let us see one by one.